How to turn off always add photos and videos from camera to the share library on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from Settings, tap on your Apple account name. In here, tap on iCloud. Then tap on Photos. Next, we scroll down and tap on Share Library. After that, in here, tap on Share from Camera. Then we go down and make sure Share when at home is turned off. So when this is turned on, you can see that it says when at home, always add photos and videos from camera to the share library, even when other participants are not there. So you want to switch it off. You may also want to switch from share automatically to share manually if you do not want the camera to automatically share photos to the share library. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.